Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will introduce you the way and guide you step by step to do the airdrop of the mode project. This is very interesting one, and this project was raised by optimism with $5.3 million, and you can see the first step is airdrop. So it's very new, so you can join and get the big opportunity to get the airdrop. So first step, you can go this link and join the airdrop here airdrop early, and you first step, you invite the code and you type the code to join. Second step, you can connect to your wallet, and here I have the MetaMask. So if you don't have the MetaMask, you can check the link to find out the how to create the new one. And this is my point. You can see my point. So after this project go mainnet, they will airdrop token based on your point. So after you the second step, you do the bridge, and you have the etherium on your wallet, and you bridge to the mode network. Here I just transfer the a small amount of ETF, so that you can get more points when you bridge. And after you bridge the mode network, you can swap back to your wallet or withdraw if you want. And if you want to withdraw, you can go this orbiter finance, and you can also swap from the mode network here, here to the other network like optimisium or other layer 2. And and more interesting is that you can have more points after you invite your friend to join this airdrop here. And the third step, you join the DEX, the app on this network. For example, this one, uh, this one. You can buy one domain. It's very cheap. Really cheap here. Compare with other layer 2 network. Okay, for example, I will find some domain like investing dot mode, for example here. Someone bought it already. Investing click, so I just make, for example, right? Dot mode here. You can see it's very cheap. It's like $5, and you can buy it on this pay ID. And so afterward, you will have an NFT. It's like domain on mode network, and you also have more points here. And other apps like Kim Exchange, you can swap ETH from the mode network to USDC here. And the more volume that you swap here, and the more points you will get. So it's very easy. So there are basically three steps to follow. So I hope you will get the airdrop. And if you have some problem, or you can comment, and I will help you. I will answer every comment in the video. Thank you for watching. See you later, and please subscribe and to find out some more new gem in the crypto market. Thank you.